Welcome back. 12 standard examinations of the Goa Board of Secondary and High Secondary commenced from Saturday. More than 13,000 students are answering their first paper. The examinations will be held in 15 centres in Goa. The examination will end on 19th March. We wish all our student viewers all the very best.
The Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary examination for 12th standard commenced from Saturday. Students from arts, commerce, science and vocational streams appeared for the exams. The students are being prepared by their respective teachers to answer any difficulty. More than 13,000 students have appeared for the examination. Students have already given their practicals and projects before the commencement of the board exam. The exam will be concluded on 19th March. Examination results are expected in the second week of May. Reporter Sneha Sapnis and video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
International Association of Lawyers is organizing a Business and Human Rights Commission Summit in Goa on 23rd of March. Chief Justice of India Altamas Kabir and other 2 judges of Supreme Court will address the summit.
Paris-based organization International Association of Lawyers is organizing a Business and Human Rights Commission Summit in Goa on 23rd and 24th of March. Chief Justice of India Altamas Kabir and judges of Supreme Court Justice H.M. Gokhale and Justice Anjana Desai, Chief Justice of Bombay High Court Justice Mohit Shah, along with many prominent legal professionals will address the summit.
We have the Honorable Chief Justice of India coming specially to start the program. Then we have another 2 judges of the Supreme Court who are also flying down to Goa. Ms. Justice Ranjana Desai and Mr. Justice Gokhale. Apart from that, we will have our own Chief Justice Mohit Shah.
Talking about the importance of such event, senior Supreme Court lawyer A.K. Ganguly said that the event will certainly help Indian legal professionals to compete with international legal professionals.
The object of this kind of an event is to bring this international knowledge at home and give an opportunity to those who would have never had an opportunity to expose themselves to this kind of exploration of knowledge and information, being in your own state.
With video journalist Omkar Farari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now look at the other events in the state.
4-day cybersecurity conference has been organized by Nalcom. About 250 engineers have participated from all over the world. Chief Minister said that police are ill-equipped to handle cyber crimes.
You have to understand that it can change the life of people for better, but it can also change the life of people for worse. This is a exercise which will ensure that technology remains in a safe hand and technology is protected through a security firewall, security net, that our police force, whichever it may be, except those who have joined IPS through IITs or through engineering colleges, who join the forces after completion of the engineering, are ill-equipped to handle a lot of cyber crime.
Goinzo Fudar, in association with Kare College of Law, organized a seminar on criminal justice system, challenges and priorities. The speakers at the seminar said that prosecution, judiciary and civil services are the 3 integral parts of criminal justice system, and honesty is a vital point in the system.
Police is an integral part of that criminal justice system, and I always request police to be sensitive to it. Police has to be more and more sensitive, not only lathi yielding, but to understand the psyche of the society, the problem of a complainant, and place himself in that position. I don't want police to be highly emotional, but they have to be sensitive.
We lack honesty. So the system, if has to work, the honesty has to come first. Honesty in the witnesses, honesty in the police, and honesty among the main stakeholders, that is the judges, the public prosecutors and the lawyers.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.